handcrafted in America, built for Casio and beyond.
Welcome to USA Survival Paracord World. We specialize in survival watch bands compatible with most watches. Our bands are attached just like standard watch bands. There's no need for strap adapters. Simply utilize your original watch spring bars or strap screws. Our survival bands are crafted in the United States, one customer at a time. Typically, we ship our bands within 48 to 72 hours after receiving orders. Which band color speaks to you? We have a vast array of color combinations available for you to buy. Select from solid colors, camouflage designs, and multicolored bands. Additionally, you can create your own unique band by picking colors and buckles to form a custom pattern. The possibilities are endless. Our bands are meticulously crafted in the United States. Every band is shipped from Florida. Visit our shop to discover a wide selection of band colors for Casio and various other watch brands. We offer international shipping. Allow us to create the perfect band for you. Check out our store at www.usasurvivalparacordworld.com. Don't forget to click subscribe if you'd like to get weekly updates on survival bands for Casio and many other watch brands.